Hi Vargu, hope you're doing well. Welcome to your weekly reading from 15th of March to 21st of March 2021. I hope you have seen the relationship and career money advice for this period of Mars Rahu conjunction in the sign of Taurus in Rohini Nakshatra. So if not, the description box has the link. Please watch those videos. I'm sure that is going to help you a lot. And this particular video is for you if your sun, your moon, your first house or Venus are in the sign of Virgo. So let's see this what this week is bringing in for all of us. For my Virgos, sun, moon, rising, Venus. Let's see. Never ending story. One more. Yang. Karma card. All right. So from the angle of what I am seeing it, irrespective of the typical meaning of these two cards, the meaning that I am getting, the message that I am receiving from the spirit guides is your destiny or the accumulated karma from your past lifetimes or whatever up till now is actually taking you to an unending story, never ending story. So you find yourself into a stuck karma from where you have to you don't have to sit just like the girl sitting here. You might be sitting at this moment, maybe most of the times, we attract the same kind of people in our life, same kind of situations in our life, same kind of bosses, colleagues, or profiles, same sort of situations in all aspects of life. Maybe a health issue is repeating. So there is probably that pattern has repeated itself, and this week you may find yourself into again the same sort of pattern, karmic pattern. To come out of that, you have to apply the yang energy. The yang energy, yin and yang. So yang is the energy of action, yang is the energy of fire, yang is the energy of ambition, passion, that fiery energy shooting out from you. It is the card of beginning, it is a card of karma, it is the card of action, and not to sit and keep telling yourself, oh, I was destined for this. It is time for you to take action so that you can recreate a better karma and come out of this never ending story. This story, this pattern, this karmic thing has come back again to you only for you to get propelled to take an action and get out of the nonsense. This pattern won't repeat ever. So Virgos, you are supposed to create another cycle of karma so that you can get off the previous karmic pattern. Let's verify. Let's see what destiny and karma axis we are working on to. I have a blog which talks about destiny versus karma versus luck versus misfortune, etc., etc. The link is there in the description box. Please go through that. I'm sure that will help you to understand these two cards. You are actually stuck there. Okay, so do not hold your head and just sit tight saying, oh, I just got caught up into this situation and it keeps repeating. This time it is repeating so that you can take a better direction, create a better karma, and get out of it for lifetime. Fools, messenger of fire, and 9 of air. Yes, this whole thing, Nine of Air is actually a card which talks about that, I am not able to rest. I am at my edge. I am thinking, I'm overthinking, and I'm overdoing things. And that is what is, never ending story is all about. You overdo something, and every time you respond to a situation, or you would have responded to this situation, or you are responding to this older situation once again in your older way, you have to take a better step, so that you can come out of this nine of swords situation. Nine of swords situation is a guilt situation, is a situation wherein you feel the guilt and the pain and insomnia, and you're overthinking and just trying to come out of that. You're trying really hard to break free, but you're not able to, and you actually feel that you cannot. The worst thing is, you are working hard, but your basic understanding of your own energy is that I cannot win. So nine of air is that kind of an energy, and this card from Good Tarot is actually saying that come out of it, fly high from such thinking. Okay, this has come with the card of Fools. So I just said that you have to create and karma, take a different, you need to have a different response to the older situation. And Fools is that card. It says take on risk, take on take that leap of faith, trust yourself. You have the experience and maturity of life, you have an understanding of life, so do not underestimate yourself, and with that rejuvenated energy, pave your way, get into the unknown, and create a karma, give a better response to the older situation. So Fools is a card of really trusting the invisible, getting into the accepting the uncertainties of life, and just like a child, with that childlike innocence, you just take on that untraced path in your life. So kind of a risk, taking that leap of faith, really trusting yourself and trusting the divine also. Messenger of Fire is Knight of Wands, which is a card of really doing the work. It is a card which says that if I am assigned a work, I will do it. So when you start this journey finally to break through from this older pattern of your life, please make sure that along with the trust and action, understand that you will finally be able to do it. Because Messenger of Fire, Knight of Wands, is actually helping you. Knights are people, or it is a kind of a situation which just comes in and brings about that brings in some communication, some sort of energy, action. Fire is also action, ambition. So same energy is here. I would suggest you to please practice Fire Life Element meditation and read about Destiny versus Karma versus Luck blog. So the links are there in the description box. Please make sure that for this whole week from 15th to 21st of March, balance your Fire Life Element. That will help you to burn away all your impurities, break free from all sorts of negative vibes around you, and you will be able to communicate with the people who can really help you to start this journey of recreating a better karma for your own self. And do not get caught into this nine of swords situation of overthinking, insomnia, not sleeping, not understanding, getting into that guilt and regret. Why did I do that? Why did I not do that? This happens to me every time. We keep on saying all this nonsense to our own selves and keep wasting our time. This is not the time to stress out just like you did the last time. Last time when you lost your job, you were actually stressed the same way, or you were preparing for an interview the same way, or you were considering yourself powerless just the same way, you were hopeless just the same way you are right now. So that just the same way like the last time will not work out here. That's why I'm saying that work with your Fire Life Element and take action. This is the time of acting rather than not sleeping or having that regret of not having a good luck or something. Everything is karma, and karma is a flow. Okay, let's draw few more cards to understand this whole journey that you'll be taking this week. And yeah, Ace of Pentacles. So this is yet another beginning. One, probably this month is very important for you. within 1 month's time, Knight of Swords. So 2 nights you have, so some sort of communication, some sort of unexpected mails or mails or communication, phone call, SMS, something or the other will happen, and that will lead to a new beginning of your life. So do not give up, do not wait for this communication. You have to create karma so that this communication happens. You have to heal yourself energetically by being that fool coming out of this 9 of Sword kind of insomnia and this never ending story. Have a different response, heal your energy so that these nights can really reach out to you. This communication can come in, because you need to heal your aura, heal your energies for good things to come in, because there is a new beginning happening. Probably, I believe this is more to do with your career aspect and money aspect, or something of value that you want to create in your own life. Yang is all about action. One more card for the Virgo. Action. Queen of Swords. Yeah, so this is a card which says that I am enough for my own self. You cannot fool me. I know the truth. I do not take life very seriously. I understand people. Nobody can fool me. I take decisions from my intellect, and I am enough. I'm a queen. So this is a very powerful, among all the queens, she's the most powerful queen. She cuts all the nonsense. I just said that work with fire life elements so that you can burn away all the impurities. She cuts those impurities and every extra useless, unnecessary information, and she only sees truth. She only wants truth. She will say the truth. You have to emulate her. You have to copy her in your life at this moment. So be practical. This is not a time for you to be emotional. This is time for being practical and working, acting. This is time for that practicality and karma. Okay, let's have one more card from this deck. 5 of Swords. See, 5 of Swords in reverse. So yes, this is a card which says your battle is on. You're not alone. Your battle is on, and the battle of communication, battle of mental strength is on. Do not give up in between. Okay, there may be some compromises that you have to make. That just take wise decisions. Okay. And Messenger of Water. See, there are 3 knights that have come: Messenger of Water, Knight of Cup, Knight of Swords, and Knight of Fire. Wands. So in case you have Venus supposedly in Virgo, this is actually saying that there is some communication which is coming your way. Maybe in relationships you are always stuck in the same way. This time approach the whole situation with a lot of practicality, seeing only the truth. Obviously make a new beginning, work with fire life element, take on that risk, do not lose hope. But there is a communication which is coming your way which will bring about this shift, and your battle has just begun. You are not alone. And a new beginning is there. Fools and Ace of Pentacles, these two are very powerful cards along with Yang, which is saying that it is this week and this whole month will be very crucial for you in terms of the way you are communicating with people, the way you are handling your the offers that are coming your way. Okay. Be very practical, see only the truth, do not take anybody's nonsense there, because there are people who say a lot, but their audio and video will not match. They would say something and they will ultimately do something else. So trust your own karma, trust your own vigil, trust your own be vigilant, trust your own intellect, take decisions properly. These communications are coming, just heal yourself. So that's all for today, for this week. See you in the next week. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment and share. I'll be waiting for your comments. See you again. Bye-bye.